So that's our main goal as SDS teachers, to try to get our students employed. We teach them a trade, and then we let them go out in the workforce and take that trade and work along with their counterparts within industry. Through our partnership with Kawasaki, not only are they prepared to go into the workforce, but they're also prepared to continue their education through that extensive on-the-job training that they experience at Kawasaki.
I'd say my experiences in the welding shop have been great. A lot of great people that I've met, and I really enjoy having Mr. Park as my instructor. And the reason I got into it was because my brother was a welder as well, so I was like, might as well try it while I'm in high school. So I think it's a great industry. Just knowing you're able to make anything and everything.
Our teacher was like in contact, he told us about the Kawasaki program. And basically I applied for there, went and took the test, and I passed, so I got hired for the industry.
What we teach them in here, they could go home every day and work with their mothers or fathers in a shop and rebuild cars, rebuild tractors, repair equipment. So the application that we see here is very intuitive to what they're going to do every single day.
So I like to learn like hands-on and stuff like that, do hands-on projects, and that's how this has helped me. I learned like all the processes of like how to set up the machine, like my angles for the welds, just the various processes of it. So I'm pretty confident I'll be able to be good over there.
It really just is a great stepping stone for any type of job you want to do, because here at Northeast, Mr. Park teaches us to be on time very, very well. He's very adamant about that.
Oh, this is invaluable. So when I was going through high school, we didn't have options, like I said, TCA, and if you wanted to go to secondary college. So in order to go out in the workforce and gain that experience, not only are we fostering a relationship with industry and those students, we're also fostering a relationship where we might potentially see that return come back to LPS, whether it's an instructor or the gentlemen that are here with us now or alumni of this school. We need that continuation. If we don't have the continuation, we lose the valuable resource we have, which is that knowledge base.
I'd say take it. I mean, you could take it for just a semester if you wanted to, but I think it's a great experience for anybody in high school. I think it'd be awesome to come here and experience the program.
Yeah, we're not wasting our time to not really get a big return on it. We're over here learning, and we actually get like a chance to use our knowledge.